Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have read access to the database and the specific log table, because permission prevents wasted effort. Next, set the time range and identifiers you need, for example, a user ID or request ID, so you constrain results early and save time. Once done, open your query or table viewer and load the schema plus a few sample rows to understand column names and formats. This helps you craft precise filters and avoid misreading timestamp or JSON fields. You now build the query. Start with indexed filters like timestamp, primary key, and status codes because they dramatically reduce scan time. Then project only necessary columns and add a limit to preview results quickly. This prevents long waits and lets you refine filters. When fields are JSON or nested, use the database's parsing functions to extract values rather than pulling full blobs. Make sure to test on a small sample, because validated filters avoid costly full table reads and improve both speed and accuracy. You finish by validating results. Compare row counts, scan the time distribution, and inspect sample entries to ensure consistency and no off-by-one errors. Once confident, export the filtered rows to CSV or JSON, keeping original timestamps and ID for traceability. If you don't see expected logs, check 3 things. Expand the time range, verify time zone handling between systems, and confirm log retention or archival policies. If problems persist, rerun with broader filters and sample logs to isolate missing data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.